In this video, we'll show you how to install Pet Selector mod in GTA 5 Legacy. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to replace Franklin, Michael, or Trevor with a custom models like superheroes, anime characters, or custom NPCs, the Pet Selector mod is exactly what you need. And here I'll show you how to install it and set things up step by step. Before installing anything, it's important to know that this mod is intended for story mode only, and they should not be used while playing GTA Online. If you switch between modded gameplay and GTA Online, it's a good idea to keep a backup of your clean game files to avoid getting banned. Alright, to start, let's download Pet Selector mod. You can go to gta5mods.com or you can click the link in the description that I put and it will bring you here. Now once you're here, you want to download the latest version of it. Currently, it's 1.12a. But if there's any update, it will be different. So just download the latest one. Hit download and then hit download again to prompt the download. And then you're going to save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Hit save and the download will start. Now to show you how to install add-on pet, I'll use this Goku skin. If you want to install this as well, you can click the link in the description. Just hit download again, and save it somewhere in your PC. Now we need to download all of the dependencies that Pet Selector require. The first one is Scribbook V. I'll put the link in the description. So just click on that. Once you're here, just click download and save it on your PC. And the next thing is scribbookv.net. I'll also put the link in the description. And here to download it, just look for the latest one. And you're going to download the zip file. Just click the zip file like that. And it'll prompt the download. Hit save. And it'll start downloading. And lastly, to make this work, you also need Lemon UI. Here, just download the latest zip file. Click on it. And then save it on your PC. After you finish downloading, you'll have Pet Selector, your custom skin or pet, Lemon UI, Scribbook V, and scribbookv.net. And to start installing, you'll need your GTA 5 directory. If you don't know where you install your GTA 5, on Epic Games, you want to go to Library and then look for your GTA 5, click the three dots on the right and hit Manage. And then click the folder icon to open up the directory. If you're on Steam, you're going to do the same. You want to go to Library and then right click on your GTA 5, go to Manage and click on Browse Local Files. It'll open up your GTA 5 installation folder. Alright, now you have all the files ready and your GTA 5 directory, we can start installing. So all of the files is a zip file. To open it up, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip, or you can also extract everything first. Just right click on the zip file and hit extract all, and then just extract it and start from there. But for this video, I'll use WinRAR, which you can download for free. So to start, we're going to install Scribbook V, scribbookv.net, and Lemon UI. And after that, we're going to install Pet Selector. And after Pet Selector is installed, we can load the custom pet skin. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's install Scribbook V first. Let's open it up with WinRAR. And for Scribbook V, you want to go to the bin folder, and here what you need is X input, Scribbook V, D input 8, and args.txt. And what you need to do is just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory, just like that, and that's done. Now we can go to the next one, which is scribbookv.net. You can open it up with WinRAR again, and for scribbookv.net, what you need is all of the PDB, DLL, and ASI file. So you don't need to include the folder and readme.txt. You're gonna do the same, just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory, just like that. And that's done for Scribbook V. The next thing we need to install is Lemon UI. So for Lemon UI, let's open it up. There's multiple folder inside it. And for Pet Selector, what you need is shpdn3. So this one. Let's open it up. Inside it, you'll find Lemon UI, XML, PDB, and DLL. So for this, you will need to create a new folder called scripts. If you already have one, just put all these files there. So let's go ahead and create a new folder and name it scripts like that. So we have it now. Let's open it up and we're going to drag and drop all of these files into the scripts folder that we just created. Just like that. And that's done for Scribbook V, Lemon UI, and scribbookv.net. Now we can delete the zip file because we already installed it. Alright, after all the requirements is installed, we can start installing Pet Selector. So let's open up the zip file. Let's open up the folder, and inside it, you will have scripts folder, mods, and Grand Theft Auto 5 folder. We're gonna do this step by step. Let's open up the scripts folder. Inside it, you'll have Pet Selector PDB and Pet Selector DLL. For this one, I'm gonna put it inside the scripts folder that we just created. So let's open it up and drag and drop it into this folder, and that's done. Now let's go back, and the next thing is the mods folder. So to install this, you can simply just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory, but to make sure that you actually know how to install it, I'll show you how to install it manually. And for that, you will need OpenIV. If you don't have OpenIV installed, we have a video on that. Just watch that first, and after you have OpenIV installed, you can go back to this video. So let's open up OpenIV, this one, and then you want to go to Windows, and then make sure you enable edit mode on the top right. hit yes. And here, make sure you install OpenIV.asi, click install, and then hit yes. And you can also install Open Camera and hit close. Now you have the mods folder, and what you can do is go to update and go to update.rpf. And here, if you have this warning, you can hit copy to mods folder. So it'll copy the entire update.rpf to the mods folder. And if there's anything wrong, you can just delete the mods folder instead of re-downloading your GTA 5. So let's hit that. So after you have the mods folder, you can just drag and drop the update folder into the mods folder. So like that. And if we go to x64 DLC packs, we'll have Pet Selector folder. Next, let's open up GTA 5 folder. So this one, open it up. Inside this, what you need is add-on pets.exe and XML. But if you have updated version of Pet Selector, you can use the scribblev.net from here. But for now, the latest one is from the scribblev.net that we installed earlier, so we don't need to include that. We only need add-on pets.exe and XML. So let's drag and drop it into the main directory folder, just like that. And that's done. All right, now you want to go back to OpenIV, and here you want to go to update and then update RPF, common, data, and inside it, look for DLC list.xml. We're going to add Pet Selector into the list. So right click on it, hit edit, then you want to scroll down, and to add a new list, just copy the last line, right click, hit copy, then press enter on your keyboard, right click again, hit paste, and we're going to change this into Pet Selector, like that. Make sure it's spelled correctly. After that, hit save, and you're good to go. Now you can minimize OpenIV and close the Pet Selector zip file. You can delete it for now. And finally, I'll show you how to add the custom pet skin. Let's open up the folder. Inside it, you'll have the name of your skin, YTD, YMT, YFT, and YDD. To install it, you want to go back to OpenIV. And then from the mods folder, you want to go to update, x64, DLC packs, Pet Selector, DLC.rpf, and pets.rpf. So this is where you put all of the skin files. So let's go ahead and put it in. Let's select all of it and drag and drop it, just like that. And now that's done. And drag and drop it, just like that. And now that's done. All right, now you can close the folder. And now to actually apply the custom pet, you can go to your GTA 5 main directory and look for add-on pets.exe. You want to right click on it and hit run as administrator. It'll open up this menu right here and then click add new pet. Now for the model name, make sure it's exactly the same to the custom pet files, to the custom pet's name. So here it's Goku. Let's just type in Goku like that. And for the pet type, I'm gonna select male or female, depends on your skin. And for stream, you can read the description. For me, it's gonna be false. And then just hit add pet. Now we have the skin added. You're gonna hit rebuild like that and hit OK. And everything is done for now. You can launch GTA 5. But before you launch GTA 5, make sure your anti-cheat is disabled. On Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to settings and then you need to uncheck BitLI. So like this. After it's done, you can launch the game. Alright, we're inside the game now and let's see if we can open up the menu. So you can press L on your keyboard to open up the Pet Selector menu like that. And here you can hover around, but to change your character, you can go to My Character and then just select your character. And if you go back, you also have add-on pets option, which is menu to select your custom pets. So for example, I install Goku, this one. Let's press enter. Okay. And there we go. Looks like it works. Looks like it works without any problem. And that's basically it. You can also select base game pets, which is all of the story characters, all of the NPCs. You can change to this guy right here. So there we go. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.